Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. I have just finished watching Fallout the TV series and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. The last Fallout 3D print I did got demonetised because it was a prop gun. Because yeah, we know how dangerous those things are. Thanks algorithm. But so I thought, you know what, let's print something a little bit less violent and a little bit more Fallout pop culture. And what's more pop culture than Nuka-Cola, that fantastic refreshing beverage we're never ever going to get to drink. Or are we? But yes, I'm going to 3D print myself a really cool Nuka-Cola bottle. The design was made by this designer right here. If you like him, go ahead, print his stuff and make sure you log on to Thingiverse and leave a little message saying how much you like his design. So let's go ahead and print ourselves some crazy pop culture 50s future beverage containers. Try saying that while drinking a pint of Nuka-Cola. Before we do that, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. Thousands of you now. Almost 3,000 in fact. We're almost there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, and I know about 90% of you haven't. I know you haven't. Drag your cursor down. Click the big red button that says subscribe. And welcome to the rad roach infested channel, which is 3D Printed Soup. Ugh. Can't much of those things are the size of lobsters. Well, this turned out great. Oh, look at that. The beautiful Nuka-Cola branding. The little red cap on the top just pops straight off, pops back on again. Just the styling of this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's Coca-Cola, but it isn't. Yeah, very cool. And I'm very much looking forward to giving Nuka-Cola a try. In fact, why wait? Let's see what this stuff is like. Taste those rads. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget, if you love this design, log on, find the designer, make sure you leave a make and let the guy know that you really enjoyed his design. So, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy and safe. Keep vault-teching.